Hi, my art lovers. This week I am taking a challenge to draw a portrait with fingers on the face. As you can see from the reference picture on the screen, many people are intimidated by drawing hands as they are intricate and detailed, and getting the proportions wrong can really mess up a whole figure drawing. From a reference photo, sketch the basic lines and shapes using grid method, which is also known as Loomis method. Don't worry about the lines getting perfect at this stage. The goal is to lay the foundation of the sketch. So I have started with the eyes using charcoal. You can see me using multiple tools for blending. The first tool I had used is a brush, and the second one, which is the pen-like white tool, is blenders, which comes in different sizes and can be used according to the area that needs to be blended. If you are looking for the blenders, I have mentioned it below, you can check it out. Now I am using charcoal powder in the areas surrounding the eye, blending with a brush. It comes out really smooth and clean when you use charcoal powder with a brush. So in the rest of the visible skin on the face, that is the cheeks, I am moving light to dark, starting from 2B to charcoal powder at the end. So talking about hyper-realism, which is a very exciting and a relatively new form of art. By definition, hyper-realistic art imitates reality. However, the objective is to make you believe that they are both real photographs. This requires a great deal of technical prowess and dedication to achieve. You can see how I am attempting to give the fine lines and details on the face using mono zero eraser. I have started with the eyebrows. Drawing realistic eyebrows has always been difficult for me, and I have not reached there yet. However, I am trying to attempt different techniques to better my eyebrows every day. Remember, it is the practice and correct technique that will improve and perfect your art. First, make sure that your strokes are fairly thin when drawing eyebrows. I always try to keep my pencil as sharp as possible for each stroke. I know sometimes out of laziness we draw with the blunt pencil, but you will see individual hair strokes getting blurred and mixed. So it is always a good idea to keep your pencil sharp. While drawing the eyelashes, keep in mind to draw the eyelashes in layers, which I've also talked about in my last video. So draw the eyelashes in layers, moving around the eye, adding more as you go around. Start at the root of the lashes. Give the tip a slightly round shape and gradually flex your pencil or charcoal. towards the tip, keeping the direction of the lashes in mind. This method helps the lashes look connected. I am also using the brush, you will see, to blend the eyelashes to give a blending effect to the eyelashes with the eye. I am starting with the fingers now. Hand anatomy study is in itself a whole different study, but we will only focus on the fingers for now. Correct proportion and depth is what will make the fingers look realistic. Effectively capturing the texture of skin, wrinkles and creases will give the three-dimensionality to the fingers. First step would be to draw the main outlines properly. I have darkened the outlines carefully to give the effect and texture to the fingers. So adding skin details is one of the most important steps to give realism to the hand anatomy. Adding small details like wrinkles, fine lines and creases on the fingers will enhance the texture. One feature that hyper-realism follows is that the artist may choose to add additional grin or wrinkle to make it look like a real photograph. Such minor details like shading veins is how we make the painting hyper-realistic. using the same technique for the third finger, which is on time lapse. You can also follow it for yourself and share your artwork with me. Using those 6 steps, I had completed all the fingers on the face, and now I have moved to complete the nose, which has also fine details, that is the light and dark texture, and giving small fine details on the nose using the reference picture. If you have reached till this point in the video, you must be really passionate to try the art. I know it doesn't matter whether you are an amateur or just busy with daily life. Taking out 15 to 20 minutes for something which gives you happiness is not much. Many times you might get bogged down after seeing those perfect art videos on social media. Well, they were also once beginners. Don't think much and just pick up that pencil and brush. So the last part of the face which we are onto is the lips, where I have followed the exact same technique of using light and dark texture according to the reference and adding those small little details on the lips. This is the most satisfying part of the process, where I am removing the mask tape and we are about to reveal the final look of the sketch. That is how it looks like. If you are new to this video, I record my sketching and painting process so that we can all benefit and get inspired by each other's work. Hit the subscribe button and watch more such videos.